Alright, so I like to do these videos all at once, but I've come to the conclusion that with the more difficult jobs, if I try to do that, I will never wind up making a video, because I don't do these jobs all at once. I do them while I'm doing other repairs. So, this is a machine that has some liquid damage on it that won't turn on, and on the 2936 and 3115 motherboards, you'll often see that the corrosion starts here, right on this chip below the fan. So, this is a fairly important item. Now I know I'm always against the alcohol in a toothbrush thing because it doesn't really, but because I like to move fast when I'm troubleshooting and trying to diagnose a problem, so I am just going to clean that off with the alcohol in the toothbrush real quick, and it'll get thrown in the ultrasonic later on. Now, I could be incorrect here because I am doing this in between trying to catch a couple of birds and fixing 6 other machines. I do believe that there is a 3-volt signal that runs through the board that sends out certain control signals that is controlled by this chip. So very often if you short the pads to try to turn it on and it doesn't work, even though the charger works and it even charges the battery fine. Today we're going to replace that. Let's see if it works.
Is that the one you're fixing?
Yeah. Well, supposedly fixing. We'll see. See shortly. Keep in mind I am not actually touching the tripod. That is literally the camera shake. Oh wait, let me move this into place. This is definitely not good for my spine. I disobeyed a lot of what I talked about in my earlier video about touching the chip a little bit to make sure that it's ready to be moved, because frankly I've done this enough times that I kind of know what I can get away with. About that oversized lump of solder in the middle. We're going to deal with that shortly. Because it has a no clean flux inside, which makes it really easy when the ball pops out from under the chip to just get it put back on the proper pads. So here's the type of solder that I use for this. I love it, it's the best. And you probably can't read any of that. I'm really sorry. Also got one burnt out resistor right above it that I don't plan on letting stay there. Bucks for it. Oh, cock blower. Nah. You don't get to go nowhere. Okay. Okay. The only way I'm going to be able to do these more frequently is if I do them over the course of the day, which unfortunately means that they will be interrupted. So, here it is all cleaned up. It's trying. Yeah, not bad. And the outcome of our work here is... Is that not a beautiful sound?